Hi Hatters, it's Britt here, and today I'll be doing a reboxing video of this Typo Vlog Life ring light, which is my new setup. First I'll do a quick time lapse of what it's supposed to look like and how to set it up, because I was struggling with what it was supposed to look like when I was setting mine up. So, let's go. Now that it's pretty much all set up, I'm going to dismantle it now and put it back in its box. A reboxing video. Okay. I'm pretty proud of myself because I've only actually built it once properly. So, okay, let's start with closing the legs. Removing this. Okay. Now. Yes. Good trawler. Squish you down. Wait, no. No. This way. I always get it the wrong way. And now I can't move it. Oh jeez, okay, nope. I'll be doing the legs later. I'll have to scratch my light. Okay, I'm taking off light. Sorry that you can't see, but it's a bit hard to maneuver when it looks big. There we go, that's better now. You can see and I can see what I'm doing. Okay, let's wrap you up so I don't get tangled. Okay, gotta make it pretty close to what the original packaging was. Looking good. Okay. And I put this twist tie back on. Let's get back on. Okay, now that part is all done. So that means I can undo this. Well, that's not what I was expecting, but put that right in. It's good and bad how it's all screwed together. Because it just comes off if you're trying to unscrew the other thing. There we go. Okay. Ring light off, and these go into this one because it's nice and big. And what else did I have in it? I think it was just this bag. This one because there's a little foam at the bottom. And then fold out the edge, put it back in. And make sure you seal it with the packaging that it came in. And then, never knew you opened it. And then you put this on and then these little bits and pieces back in its categories. Okay. So I've taken the microphone piece off the stand. Then unscrew this, put it in its special part. Perfect. Okay. Now I'll take off this thing. This part for the phones to connect to. It's separated now. And put it in one like that. And then this one. Okay, and then we need the other one to come off. Whoops. Whoops. Just fits in like that. And then this one, whoops, goes into the other one. Like that. Okay. And don't make it fall out. And then we'll take off this part. This little tri-ring thing. And save the piece that you got before to re-screw it back onto the end of this. Because if you don't, then you'll have a sharp bit everywhere all the time. And if you want to send it back for whatever reason, you can be like, I haven't opened it, but I know it's missing blah blah blah, or it's broken. It goes back in. Nice. And then, okay, this shelf. Ooh. Okay, this shelf needs to go with this padding thing. I think it went this way because there's a weird ridge in it. Gotta line it up to how it was so it can package properly. It's this way. Oh well, it goes in there like that basically. I'm not going to be bothered to change that. And that goes back in that box. Whoops. Oopsie, it's supposed to go back in this box. This is side I opened it. in. Slide in. There you go, now it's all compacted. And the padding back on top. Now that box is done. All over the place. Okay. Now this part of this part of the ring light is like probably the most complex. It has pieces that you can literally take off and lose. It's really hard to take off. Once I unbox this again, when I actually use it for my next video, I will need to do not lose the nut. The nut is very important. But it's easier to take off the actual cap and thing to pull off. And then I attach it back in. And attach the nut to make sure it stays on there, otherwise I'll be losing it again. Okay, so yeah, back together to put back in here. Tighten that a bit more. Now it's in there, and put this back on. It's secure. Put it in there, and we're done that. Okay, then we can put it into this box that had the instructions that were kind of hard to read. So I pretty much went off the picture, not so much the instructions, because they confused me, because I had special names for each of the things. It's just like, well, the special, I don't know what the special names are, like, be basic. On top. Close this one. And flap. Done. And now there's a skinny hole down the side that goes right down. That's supposed to be for this and this. Okay, now let's undo this to slide this back in. Yeah. Haha, collapsed in itself. with this to go back in the bag. Now my question to type out is, why the hell have a small little bag when you're supposed to compact the whole thing down and take it wherever you go? Pretty much not just this. Yeah, that's great. I can take this around with me. It does nothing. Because all my other stuff is at home. Okay, fill it up. And let's see if I actually fit it back in. Exciting. And it's good. I'm going to try the other way. Nope. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. Let's take out the microphone thing. Go in. And there's nothing blocking it. It must be so thick. No. You're going in. No? Stopping at the same spot again. I don't know what it is. Well, I guess that's just the way it is. Just have to have, well, this could go in there. And then seal it up, and then you've got this extra bit that's already in a bag, so reboxed, I suppose. Oh my gosh. And then we're done. It's reboxed. Yes. Okay. It's done with this. That's as best as this reboxing video is gonna get. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this reboxing video. If you'd like to see more of our content, click subscribe and the notification bell to get notified when Isabel's or my upload is next on this lovely channel, or you can check out our last video, or just give it a like if you'd like this video, this type of reboxing video. So, bye! An unboxing video. No, wait. I said unboxing. Crap, okay. That again.